Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Peculiar Beauty. So guys, in this video I'll be showing you some home remedy you can use for your skin, like for your face. You want to have that flashy skin. Are you battling with dark spots on your face, on pimples? Worry, I said worry no more. This remedy is going to help you to make you look younger and younger. Who am I not to bring up this video for you? Like, I'll be trying this and these things have been working. If you know me before, you know that I have dark spot on my face. Guys, my face is getting better every day. Did you see my face? If you see my face before, guys, I've been working a lot on my face with home remedy. This one you don't have to buy from anywhere, like you don't have to order. You have at home that you can use. You have dark spots on your face, this video is for you. You want to remove wrinkles on your face, this video is for you. Like any kind of cells on your skin, you want to remove it, this video is for you. Watch this video, let me know what you think about this video. If you have tried this recipe before, do also let me know in the comment section. If you are also going to try it, let me know in the comment section, and I will see you. I'm coming. Now have good amount of vitamin C, which helps your skin to look younger and youthful. It also helps to moisturize the skin. Guys, in this DIY, I'll be using 1 egg. Yes, egg also improves skin texture, whether you have dry skin or oily skin. Yes, egg is also great for getting rid of wrinkles. Egg is so good. It helps to remove dirt, oil, and dead cells on your face. It helps reduce pop-off under your eyes and also minimize oily skin. So guys, we'll be mixing this two egg and the bananas. So guys, this is the egg whitish one, so we'll not be needing this one. I'll be using this one for another DIY. Yes, so all we need is the egg yolk inside, so that is what we'll be using. You can also use both if you like. Yes, if you like, you can also use both. They work the same. Okay, so I decided to use only the egg one. I'll be using it for something else. So guys, make sure you don't add any water or any kind of liquid inside, just the egg and the banana. That is what you'll be needing for this DIY. Guys, this one, why I divided it into two, I'll be using one for my facial, I'll be using one for my face scrub. So that is what we'll be doing. Advice before you using this recipe, home remedy, first of all, before you do anything, just the same way you clean your face before applying your makeup, you have to clean your face. Very important. Let me show you. Did you see? You have to clean your face before applying any substance, like any remedy you are using for your face. That is very important. Okay. You can also put it under your eyes, like under your eyes. If you have dark spot on your chest, you can also use it. Like anywhere you have, you have dark spot, like you don't like your nail, like your hand, like your hand are so rough, are so bad, you are that kind of person that is very ashamed to bring out your hand in public, this remedy is also for you. It works like magic. Yeah, guys, I will be leaving this for about depends on when you want to remove it. You can leave it for 1 hour, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, depends on you. Yes, depends on you. So me, I will be leaving it, doing my ass choice. When I decided to wash it out, I'm going to wash it out, and that is it. So try to apply it even under your neck, massage it very, very well. Some people do have a dark spot on their neck, on their this place, they have a lot of spots, and even their chest, they do have spots on the chest as well. So guys, this is what my face looks like after like 20 minutes. You see, very dry. I know it will not be very, very dry because of the banana that is inside, but it's very tightish, like very, very tight. So I'll be using my scrub. This is my scrub, the one we make together. So I'll be applying this. This one is the facial and this one is the face scrub. I'll be applying it on top of this one. You can use anything to apply it. You can use your brush, anything. The most important thing is that you want your brush to be very, very clean. Yes, or your hand, you have to wash your hand before applying this. Lift me up, hold me down, keep me close, safe and sound. You need to be consistent. You need to be doing it maybe 2 times in a week. It depends on when you are less busy. You need to be doing it every time, regular. So you don't expect to do it once and you want result. No, yeah, it's not possible, right? That is in your hand, you can use it on your hand. Yes, you can use it on your chest, because I've seen a lot of people that have dark spots like pimples on their chest. Guys, did you see? You can use it for your hand like this, to wash your hand, to scrub and all that, and that is it. You wash it off. I quickly wanted to show you guys how this thing look after it must have dried. I stayed for so long, like even more than 1 hour. That's when I stayed, because I'm doing ass choice. So this I just want to take my bath now, so that's why I left it for so long. You can leave it, maybe you are at home, you are doing your house choice or anything, you can leave it for it to dry very, 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 very well. Okay guys, this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. See. Very, very, very tight. This thing is so good. Like, it's not staining my hand. You see, to tell you that is very, very dry. Okay. So guys, let's go on. So guys, this is the final look. Guys, what did you think? What did you think? Guys, did you see how my face is so flashes? Like, my face is so beautiful right now. Very, very moisturized, guys. Try it. I am telling you to try this remedy. You will thank me later. And make sure you are doing it regularly. Yes, maybe 2 times in a week. Please guys, don't forget to tell me what you like about this video in the comment section. If you have tried this remedy, let me know in the comment section. If you are going to try it, let me know. And also don't forget to also use the super thanks. So guys, I will see you all on my next video.